हेलो एवरीवन। आज की वीडियो में हम ये सीखेंगे कि हमें एक टीम कैसे क्रिएट करनी होती है। एक टीम क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले ऊपर ट्रिपल डॉट पर टैप करना है एंड यू हैव टू टैप ऑन क्रिएट न्यू टीम। Once you tap on create new team, there will be multiple options in front of you like class, professional learning, community, staff, other. Now let's tap on class because we have to create a class. Enter the name of this class, for example class XYZ. Okay. Now here we are. Here we have to add students. For example, let's add Laksha Panwar as student, and in teachers this column we will add test ID as our teacher. Tech. Once you tap on tech, your class will be created and will be shown amongst all your classes. Bottom down, and here is class XYZ general, and here it is your newly created class.